Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at some Safariland products that I picked up. Some of it that I've used for my work on the side or what my normal job is, and others that I've looked at and wanted to buy. And so today we're going to take a look at this new holster that I picked up in a brand new pattern. It's a Safariland 6304RDS. It is for the full-size Glock. With a light combo. Also, I picked up some other items that we'll take a look at. So again, before we do, just make sure if you do like this that you do like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I try to post videos once in a while, just on basic things that I enjoy and want others to know more about. So again, this is the Safariland 6304RDS. RDS stands for, of course, red dot sight. It is a SLS ALS system. So the ALS system would be the thumb defeat here. SLS is the hood. It does have an optics hood as well. So when you hit your defeat the thumb there, you're also going to open up that hood to allow your red dot to come out. So one thing I like about this holster, if you don't know about other holsters that have red dots or lights or all the above, sometimes they only grab the light, so the holster or the gun has to be light bearing. Sometimes they grab different pieces. They don't allow shorter or smaller or whatever it may be. This one I ordered for the TLR HL, as you see on this Glock 19 right there. But this also will do the Surefire X300, so it kind of gives you a lot of options there. So let's see what it does hold. So again, I did order it for the full size. So this is the full size Glock 17 here. And you're gonna, because it does not have a light in it, let's see what happens. Full lock up, fit, hood close, still can carry it without the RDS, or excuse me, without the red dot or a light. And it still draws just as nice. Now let's try the Glock 19. Now this is for the full size 17. Full lockup. Hood closed. Again, I don't have any optics ready stuff yet, but someday. So again, full lockup. Draws out just nice. So Surefire does like, or it's not Surefire, but Safariland does like their acronyms, ALS, SLS, but they also have the MLS. Now this is their Tropics Multicam Tropic. I thought was really kind of neat looking. And if you don't know what the normal multicam is, here's a hat that's pretty worn, has that basic multicam on it. So this is kind of a different style multicam that they're running right now, and you can buy this on anything. I thought it looked kind of neat because it also has that dark green look and appearance. Again, but going back to the SLS, ALS, so SLS, ALS is the thumb defeat, and then as you draw, you also have the MLS, which is this piece back here that allows you to put this on other things. Now, I did not think I was going to like that, and I'm still kind of torn about it, because I usually just like it clipped in. But I also bought this, which is a belt, UBL as they call it, but it's a mid-ride holster, and it works with the MLS system. So you line those forks up, boom, it's in there, it's engaged, it's not going anywhere. There's a little bit of play, but it will not go anywhere. To disengage, you grab these two forks, push in for the MLS, and then you can remove it. This gives you the ability to run different setups. So I also ordered the paddle holster. And again, you got these forks, engage the forks, now it's the paddle holster. What's different about this paddle holster, and you'll find, is that you ride a lot higher on the belt than, let's say, Safariland's off-duty or discreet paddle holster. And that has a lot to do with these mounting screws. These mounting screws are a lot higher because you don't have to defeat the SLS, the thumb brake, on this one. So you can mount it, as you can see here, a lot higher in the holster. So this is going to sit higher. With these higher screws, this is going to sit lower on the belt. This one is for the full size, will fit a full size and of course the 19 without a light. So that is the Multicam Tropic 6304RDS. It fits the Glock 17, the Glock 19, Glock 26, 40 cal variants as well, with and without a light, and with and without the RDS system. And it has a MLS, ALS, and SLS on it. I just figured I want to share that with you, a new purchase. Again, if you like the videos, like, comment, subscribe. As always, make sure you stay connected, stay informed, and see you on the next video.